guys, a test out first impression type of thing. Now I was sent this by Gershion, by the company, and I just want to say thank you, Gershion, for letting me try out your products. So I kind of already opened this because some of the little crystals came spilled all over the package, and I believe it was because of the post office, to tell you the truth. So this is my first time trying out Gershion's products. I have never tried out none of their products. So I truly am looking forward to trying out their products. So here it is. This one is the Gershion Polynail Gel Extension Kit. It comes with 2 layers of trays. So all the crystals are coming out. Okay. So this is where all the crystals were supposed to be in, but someone didn't close it right. Anyway, so let me just go ahead and clean this part up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Here is how it looks. I already put all the crystals back into the little container. Now these crystals are very pretty. Right here, they have a pink backing. They don't have a silver backing, so it's more prettier. They're shiny, really shiny. I love them. Okay, so here is a stone picker for it. Mine's came broken, so that kind of sucks. It defeats the purpose of using the stone picker. So here are the products. The tubes are 1 fluid ounces, so they're pretty big in my opinion. I think you'll get a couple of sets out of them. They come in, let's see, 6 different colors. They come with dual forms. I don't ever use these. They come with forms, so I would definitely be using this, not in this video, but in a different video. And a thank you card. And of course, some instructions of how to use polygel. It does have a slip solution, which I'm really excited for. I have always used alcohol, and yeah, I can't wait to try this. And as well, it has a top coat and a base coat, so I can't wait to try out their top coat just to see how shiny it is. So that's a win-win. I really love this set, you guys. The only thing that I did not like is that the crystals were everywhere and my stone picker is broken. That sucks. So it comes with your regular little polygel brush and your spatula. If I could get this open, that would be great. It has the actual logo of the company. There's the spatula and the little brush. And of course, it brings a washable file, a 10 and 180 grit. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and put out a paper right here so you guys. So let's try them out. Overall, I love the packaging. I love everything that it brings. I love the size of the tubes. And I'll be leaving more information on the actual screen of how much it was, because honestly, I don't remember. The great thing about it, it comes sealed, so you know that it has not been used. So let's put that right there. So this one is 05. The consistency is pretty, not pretty thick. It's between a medium and soft consistency. I'm going to be using their slip solution. Oh, I really love the fact that it has the little stop spill little cap right there. So I'm going to spill some, not spill, but pour some on this little cap. Just a little bit. I don't need a lot. Close that up. And let's see. It's very pliable. I really like that. So once again, that is number 5. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up, and then I'll tell you what was my favorite color and overall what I think about this whole entire Gershion kit. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here are the actual colors. I tried to smoosh it out towards the end so you guys can see the opacity or the transparency of the polygel. I really love how pliable they are. They're not that sticky or anything like that. To tell you guys, they're not even sticky. I have tried so many polygels, and this one's right here with my nail couture. I'm telling you guys, I'm actually loving this. Anyway, so all of the colors are very pretty. They're like a nude kind of color collection. I feel like the number one right here, you could definitely use it as to capping nails, because as you can see, it's very transparent. It has like a very light pinkish. If you just want to do an overlay with this color, it will look very beautiful. But I feel like my favorite color, and because I'm saying that it's my favorite color, is because I don't have anything like that in my polygel arsenal. Actually, I don't have anything like this whole entire kit in my arsenal of polygels. But the one that stands out the most, I would have to say, is this one, which is number 3. It's like a red, burgundy, maroon color. It's all mixed in there, but it's so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the LED lamp here. And I cure them for 60 seconds just to make sure they cured well. So even after 60 seconds, maybe because it was very pigmented, it didn't cure underneath. So I would recommend that you cure it underneath. So let me see if this one cured. Nope. The burgundy didn't even cure either. Okay, so the only ones that I have kind of like a problem curing completely, I would have to say, is number 2, 3, and a little bit number 4. So I think you would have to like really cure this probably like for 99 seconds or more, just to make sure that you cure it well. Overall, I do like it. I don't have a problem curing it a little bit more, but then yet again, I left like a big bulge over here at the end just to see the opacity, the intense color of the actual polygel. But if you thin it out and whenever you're moving around the polygel, obviously it does cure. It all depends on how thick you work with the polygel. So I would recommend that you work with thin layers with this type of polygel, because they're very pigmented and you really want your polygel to obviously cure correctly so you don't have any allergic reaction whenever you do tend to go ahead and file, because that's what happens when you overexpose your skin with raw material. Well, not raw material, but with material that is not properly cure or set. So with that being said, I love the fact that you know, it has a base coat, top coat, and I love the colors. The only thing that I see is that obviously I would have to cure it a little bit longer than I would like. But overall, for first impression type of thing, and everything that comes in this kit, I definitely see it worth, you know, me recommending it to you guys and buying it, because I personally love the nude colors in this collection. I love the big bottles of it. I love the crystals as well. It comes with everything that you need except for a lamp. Other than that, I would definitely recommend it. Now, I wouldn't know what to tell you on the long wear and stuff like that, because I personally have to try it out myself and see how they last. And yeah, so my total opinion of this is I love the kit, I love the price, and I love the colors. I love everything that comes in this kit. So I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and whatever and whatever, hit the little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. Bye.